Dito tayo guys. May bagong update sa YouTube about sa revenue. Dati pag gusto mo makita ang revenue mo kung magkano na, ay maglalagin ka sa kailangan mo pa maglagin sa AdSense mo sa Google. Pero ngayon guys, ang bago ngayong si YouTube, ang ganda, mas mabilis. Ito, a new way to review your YouTube payment details. Papansin natin dito na mas lalong gumanda pa yung programa ng YouTube para mas mabilis natin makita ang ating revenue. Sabi dito, ito sa akin. We recently rolled out a new beta features to easily view your channel's payments activity right from the YouTube Studio app. This feature will also be available to you, all users of your channel that have permission to view revenue. Let us know what you think. If you haven't checked it out yet, see the details below. Yan. Kung di pa daw natin na-check, ay dapat i-check na natin or tingnan na natin. Ito guys, mas pinabilis niya, mas pinadali niya na para makita natin agad yung ating revenue. Sa pamagitan lamang ng ating app. What payment details will I see? Sabi dito. From the YouTube Studio app, creators and channel users that have permission to view revenue will be able to track progress toward their next payment. Ayan. Access payment history for the last 12 months including the date, amount paid, and payment breakdown. Ang ganda. No to view your entire payment history or to resolve any payment holds. Kaya nga, log into your AdSense for YouTube account. Dati yon. Pero ngayon hindi na. Ang ganda. So, ayan. Yan lang. Kung babasahin niyo ito guys, maunawaan nyo rin naman. Kaya basahin nyo lang yung email sa inyo ni YouTube. Thank you.